My son's birth anniversary this year will be far-reaching. We are preparing it in our own way, and it will be fully commensurate with the power released in this circumstance beyond his physical person. There is another aspect that should not be overlooked on earth. He is a representation of the power of the United Masters. This year, it will take on a significant scope in the hearts as per the wish of all of us here. We wish to emphasize the importance these very special days will have in the future. They will become the 4 cardinal points of Sahajmarg planet. Everything has its reason for being.
सद्गुरु के प्रेम की है ये कहानी, अपने ही हाथों से भरते.
Your master's birth anniversary is being prepared. Humanly, it is not easy for him. He too must overcome severe fatigue. Can Abhyasis imagine what it implies and the burden involved? How could they? We are doing our best to help him, and we will ensure that this blessed day leaves its mark on people's mind as it should. These days in our mission are charged with such cosmic energy. Everyone benefits from it for the good of the mission as a whole. A sincere call is always heard. We are attentive to all our candidates. They are as one on this road, difficult to travel on, but secure in terms of its higher destination. May all our brothers and sisters proudly prepare for this blessed day among all. My dear daughter, have faith in life, in that which never ends, in this sacred capital. My son is suffering in his body, but his soul is enraptured. We support him in our own way. He is the chosen one of our united hearts. Look towards this birth anniversary. It is far beyond the human person of our beloved son. It is a key moment in our mission. Just like the birth anniversaries of his predecessors, be at peace. My dearest son, this day is unique. It heralds your birthday anniversary tomorrow. This moment is very special in our mission, as we have extensively underlined in previous messages this year. Your greatness justifies these repetitions. Your physical body is in pain, but your soul is sparkling. You have reached the stage which the very great refer to as the heavenly apotheosis. The day you come and rejoin us, you will be welcomed in a way you cannot imagine. Chosen Prince of our hearts, your place among us will be a special one. You are so precious, so unique to us. We cherish your divine heart.
While we are here celebrating our beloved Master's birth anniversary, we know he is not physically with us at the moment. I would request, I would urge, I would beg of you. I go on my knees and plead with you all. Please close your eyes as much as you can during this Bhandara. Don't look around here and there. Remain completely absorbed in the grace that is ever pouring. Don't fritter away this time in gossips. This will really make our Master happy and healthier.